Hello everyone. In design thinking and innovation series, next our topic is the product design. So what do you mean by product? Usually product means what we think is it is in physical form that will be sold in supermarkets or some other shops in clothing stores and more bikes, cars, this and all come, we will think of it as a products. But what happened in now technical era in this century, what happened is the non-physical objects also is there, like apps or websites. So these also we are calling it as a product, or e-commerce services, this and all we calling it as a product design. Okay, so what are the topics now we are going to discuss in this unit means, so how to formulate the problem, so what is the introduction to the product design, so the strategies you need to follow for a successful product, and what is the value of the product planning and specification, and we will see some of the case studies. Next, let us see what is the problem formation. So what, see, as an engineer, whatever the branch of engineering, our main motto is to find a solution to the problem. So how can you find a solution to the problem that the problem itself did not defined properly? So the first what we have done is we have identified the problem, but the framing of the problem is not properly done by some other people, some survey candidates. Then what will happen is we will adapt a solution to the statement that they have provided. If that statement is not at all related, or it is deviating from the actual solution needed, then entire process of a product design will be a failure. So what's most important in this means problem formation that defines actual problem in the survey that we have defined, or to the clients or to the people, actual problem who are facing, that problem must be defined in a proper way. So the better a problem is articulated, the easier it will be to solve. So the problem defining the problem is very well, means the solution comes out of this product design, project strategies will be very good. Otherwise the solution will be something but the problem is something. Okay, how to adapt a problem formation techniques. So we have one technique, 5 W's framework. So first what we need to ask, what is the problem? First thing, what is the answer to this, what is the problem? So defining the problem, so writing, okay, this is the problem. So after updating, one software update came to your mobile, after updating some issues are coming in camera, using of camera, some lags are there. Who is facing the problem? The people who are using this product or that mobile phone, the particular brand mobile phone or a particular model mobile phone, are facing the problem. So we need to identify who are facing the problem. Next one, why does the problem occur? What happened in a software update or some other physical factors that camera app is lagging? Okay, identify the factors. Next, where does the problem occur? So it is the problem occurred in the customer mobile phone, or it is in the problem with the UI, that we need to define. Next, why does this problem matter? So if target audience, if the users who are facing this problem is 10,000 members facing this problem, means it is the problem, we must identify a solution. There is an immediate need of finding a solution. Then what we have to do means we should make a strategy to solve this. Okay, next one, so introduction to product design. So recently what we have told is, I already explained this. So product, what we think is, it is some kind of material. So it is a bike, or it is a car, it is a mobile phone, or it is a laptop, or it is an electronic device, like that we were thinking. So product means it will be sold in some shops or supermarkets, like that. But what happened is, now in a digital things, so there are digital projects also, apps, websites, this and all comes under digital products also. So the product is not something of physical, but it is also digital. So a product is something created through a process that provides benefits to a market. So how can we identify a product? So For example, if we say any mobile phone came, so what does the mobile phone done? Mobile phone combined the calling techniques and internet provider. Previously what we have to do means mobile phones only having calls and messages. If you want to access the internet means you need to have one personal computer in your home or with you, then only you will be accessed to the internet through wide network. But what happened is smartphone, what it did means smartphone combined this calling and messages with the internet. So this is a product. So first we need to identify the problem in the society, then we need to find a solution to it, then that product will be successful. If the target audience is huge means the sales will be huge. If the target audience is very low means sales will be less. So let's go. So these are the types of products. First one is a consumer products. So consumer products means so for example, I want a water bottle means I will go to shop and buy. So what I am directly consumer. I am consuming it and taking consumer products. Next one is the industrial products. So these industrial products are bought from some other people. So some mechanic shop is there. My bike got troubled. I went to him. He purchased something from another thing. Something from some other shop. He purchased some product that is utilized to the my bike, then it will be called as a industrial products. So these are products that directly doesn't buy by the client, it will be bought by the businesses, then it will be sold to the clients through service. Next one. So what is the product design? So design is the most important feature for building great products, and it is what sets companies apart. So if you see Alfa Romeo is there, Benz is there, BMW is there. So these cars and all, what happens is they and all will have certain design criteria we can identify without looking at the tag. By the design itself we can identify. So this is the identity of a company. So any company that excelled will be having certain design considerations. That design considerations will give them that brand. That differences between the brands will be based upon the design only. Your product design is very well, it is very well means the sales also will be very good. The value of the product will also increase, so that the organization value also will be increased. So what is the process of product design? First what we need to understand is we need to understand the market first. So we need to understand the market. Okay, what is there in the market, what is not there in the market. So for example, so from 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs there are so many cars available. From 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs there are so many cars available with good features, with safety and all. Below 10 lakhs there is no car available. For any middle class people, let's just say, for not available. So there are no sales. So this is the market gap that having. So 8 to 10 lakhs there is a gap. So if we release a product in between these two means there will be definitely sales will be there. So clearly defining the problem. So what I defined is that this is the problem. Problem is, so one person went to buy the car. So he is searching 8 to 10 lakhs. After selecting one car, it is reaching 12 lakhs. So there is no sales happening. So this is the problem identified. We define the problem. Develop a proper solution to for that problem. Okay, 8 to 10 lakhs we want to introduce a car. We will introduce in that price segment, means there will definitely be sales if the target audience is huge. Next, validating the solution with the real users. Okay, after submitting it, we need to take the feedback from the people who are using, then we need to change some modifications. You might have listened facelift came of this model also facelift came, like that they will tell. So what they will do means after sales they will collect feedback from the clients. So whatever the feedback they got from the clients or the reviewers, then they will make that changes, then they will reintroduce the product with facelift, then it will be again sales will increase. Next one. So what are the factors affecting the product design? So these are the factors affecting the product design. So what I did means I surveyed everything. I have given everything needed, full safety car I have given. But what is the customer requirement? Customer requirement is some customer requirements might be mileage. I have given something, everything I have given, safety, comfort, everything I have given, but the mileage is, let's just say mileage is 8 kilometers per liter. Then some customers won't even look about it. So what happens is we need to make a product that satisfy the customer requirements. Customer needs, it must be satisfied. Next step. So production facilities. Next one, raw materials. So cost to price ratio. Next one, quality policy. So for every company there will be quality policy. This much quality products we need to manufacture, like that there will be quality. So if the quality is very huge means the cost will increase. Next one is plants and machineries. Next one, effect on existing projects. Okay, reputation of the company. So reputation of the company. Okay, we'll see this in next class. Thank you everyone. So these are the factors affecting the product design.